Hello, my name is Alexander, and in this video I will talk about why you can't focus. The reason why you can't focus is because you have a lot of stuff going on in your life. You have problems with prioritizing your tasks. If you're a student, you should have only 2 tasks in your schedule, and that is to prepare exams, and second task should be to take rest. Do not enter romantic relationships while studying because they will drain your energy, unless you're lucky to meet someone who will reciprocate your energy and who will understand your schedule. But I still advise you not to enter romantic relationships while you are studying. So just have 2 big tasks a day. One should be bigger than the second one. Second task should be easier than the first task. If you are starting to take driving lessons, then you should delay them if driving is not in your job description. There are a lot of ways to free up your schedule. Just get rid of the things that are not your priority. Thank you.